Hi and welcome to this how-to guide on indoor faucets. In this video, we'll show you how to install and maintain your indoor faucets to ensure they work properly and efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right faucet. The first step in installing an indoor faucet is choosing the right one for your needs. Consider the size of your sink and the type of faucet that will best suit your needs. There are several types of indoor faucets to choose from, including single-handle faucets. These faucets have a single lever that controls both the temperature and flow of water. They are easy to use and can be mounted on the sink or the wall. Double-handle faucets. These faucets have separate handles for hot and cold water. They are more traditional in style and can be mounted on the sink or the wall. Wall-mounted faucets. These faucets are mounted on the wall above the sink and are a good option for smaller sinks or for creating a more modern look. Once you've chosen the right faucet for your needs, it's time to move on to the next step: installing it. Step 2. Install the faucet. Installing an indoor faucet is a relatively simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Here's what you'll need to do. Gather your tools and materials. You'll need a basin wrench, adjustable wrench, plumber's tape, and a hammer. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them off. Remove the old faucet. Use the basin wrench to loosen the mounting nuts and remove the old faucet. Install the new faucet. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the new faucet. Be sure to use plumber's tape to seal the connections and prevent leaks. Turn the water back on. Once the faucet is securely in place, turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. Step 3. Maintain the faucet. Proper maintenance is key to ensuring that your indoor faucet stays in good working order. Here are a few tips for maintaining your faucet. Clean it regularly. Wipe down the faucet with a soft cloth and mild soap to remove any dirt or grime. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scouring pads as they can scratch the finish. Fix any leaks promptly. If you notice a leak, it's important to fix it as soon as possible to prevent damage to your sink or counter. Use plumber's tape or a sealant to fix small leaks, or call a professional for more serious issues. Replace worn parts. Over time, certain parts of the faucet may wear out and need to be replaced. This could include the O-ring, the cartridge, or the seals. If you're unsure how to replace these parts, it's best to call a professional plumber. We hope this how-to guide has been helpful in showing you how to install and maintain your indoor faucet. With proper installation and maintenance, your faucet should provide years of reliable service. Thank you for watching.